Hi everyone, this is Apurva Jain and in today's video I am going to show you simple trick to remove corn kernels and it's very easy, so keep watching. Okay, so first you need to remove one line of the kernels with the help of some pointed thing or with the help of a knife and do it properly so that you don't get hurt. So this is just one line that you have to remove first with the help of the knife and then keep the knife aside, and now all that works will be your hand. Then start removing the kernels like so. After removing one line, it will be very easy for you to remove it with the help of the thumb. From that side you have to pull it this way, but from this side my mom was finding it easier, so she removed it in this manner. So that's it. This is the most easiest way that I found, and yeah, if you liked it, do share it with your friends and like the video and subscribe the channel if you're new to it. Thank you so much.